Okay, in this question we have that Judy got married 6 years ago, and the question told that today her age is 1/4 times her age at the time of her wedding. We know that her son's age is 1/10 of her age, and we need to answer how old is Judy's son. So let's call J the Judy present age, okay? So Judy's age nowadays it's a J, and we know that her age today is 1/4 times the age when she got married. So what it means that the age of Judy today it will be 1/4 times the age when she got married. The question told that she got married 6 years ago. So 6 years ago it will be J minus 6. If we solve this equation, we will know how old Judy is, okay? And with this information, we can find the age of her son because we know that J divided by 10, that will be 1/10 of the age of Judy, will be precisely the age of her son, okay? So let's find out the J firstly. To solve this equation, I will just switch this mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? How can we do that? In order to do that, I just need to keep the denominator and I will multiply the whole part times the denominator and then add the result by the numerator in order to find out the new numerator that we'll have in the fraction, okay? So it will be 1 times 4, that will be 4, plus 1 will be 5, okay? So this mixed number here, 1/4, it's the same as this improper fraction 5/4. So we know that J it's equal 5/4 times J minus 6. So we have that J it will be equal. We need now to distribute this fraction multiplying 5/4 times J and 5/4 times 6, and we need to keep the minus sign, okay? So let's do that. 5/4 times J it will be equal 5J/4 minus 5/4 times 6. I will multiply 6 times 5 in the numerator, that will be 30 divided by 4. Very good. So let's send this term to the left and this J to the right side of the equation. And when we send a term to the other side of the equation, we need to change its signs, okay? So we need to change the sign of this term. Instead of minus 30/4, we will have 30/4 in the left side, and instead of J I will have minus J in the right side of the equation. Look, in general case, if we have A equal B, we can say that B it will be equal A. So I can switch the sides of those terms here and it will be right, okay? So I will do, I will write that 5J/4 minus J, it will be equal 30/4. Then, if I think this J as J divided by 1, I can join those two fractions in just one fraction, put the denominator of the fraction being the LCM of 4 and 1. And the least common multiple of 4 and 1, it will be the 4 itself. And now to find the numerator, I will divide the denominator, the common denominator, by each denominator, and I will multiply by numerator. So if I do this with the first fraction, I have 4 divided by 4, that will be 1. 1 times 5J, it will be 5J. And 4 divided by 1, it will be 4. 4 times J, it will be 4J. Let's put a minus sign between the numbers, and I have that will be equal to 30 divided by 4. Here we have in the numerator 5J minus 4J, that will be just J. divided by 4 being equal 30 over 4. Once the fraction on the left and the fraction on the right have the same denominator, we can cancel out the denominators and tell that J, it will be equal 30. This is the age of Judy, so it will be 30 years old, okay? So we know how old Judy is, but the question asks what is her son age, okay? So how can we find out? We know that her son age, it will be 1/10 of her age. So if I call, for example, Judy's son age as S, I know that S will be 1/10 of Judy's age that we found, that is 30, okay? So her son's age, it will be 1/10 of 30. Okay, I can cancel the zeros here, and I have 3 divided by 1, that will be 3. So the age of her son is 3 years old, okay? And that is the answer of this question. Okay guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.